Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. If you are new here, my name's Alex, welcome. If you are returning, then thank you very much for sticking around. If you enjoy the video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. It really supports my channel and I do really appreciate it. So getting on into today's video, I have a massive, I can't even lift it up. Can you see it? A massive Easho haul. This is my first ever Easho haul. I've never shopped with them before. I came across them online and they are like a bulk service cleaning delivery website. So basically if you go on there, they do food and they do cleaning products and skincare and stuff like that, and they basically come in boxes of 4 or 6 or 12, and it's supposed to work out cheaper bulk buying your cleaning products and stuff. So I thought I'd give it a go. So I did a order, it's a while ago now. The delivery came quite quick, but it's just taken me a while to get around to recording this video. So yeah, I thought I'd show you what I picked up, and I'll let you know prices and how they come and stuff. So let's get going. So I will show you how it comes delivered and everything in the box, just so you can see how everything is packed. So this is the Easho box. And then opening up on the inside, as I say, I'll run through what I bought, but this is how it comes packed. So as you can see, it does come well packed, but there's not necessarily any like packing peanuts or bubble wrap or anything, but I don't think, because of the amount of stuff I ordered, whether that was really needed. But everything came intact, and as far as I'm aware, nothing is broken or damaged. So one of the first things I grabbed was the herbal essences. This is the conditioner, Hello Hydration, and it's just their one with coconut essence. So this comes as a pack of 6 and the bottles are 200ml, and this came to a total of £5.41. So yes, that is the first item, 6 of those, £5.41. Okay, so the next one came in its own little box as well, and it is the Anecto Super Shine Argan Shampoo. So it looks like this. This is a 500ml bottle. Again, there is a box of 6, so it comes in a pack of 6, 500ml, and these were £7.49. But yeah, I've never seen this brand before, I've never used them, but I thought I'd give it a go. So yeah, I grabbed some. Basically, when I was doing this, I was thinking of just stocking up on everyday products like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, toilet rolls, toothpaste and that sort of stuff. And so I thought I'd try with that first. So yeah, which is why I grabbed the conditioner and then the shampoo, and the rest of the haul will be along that theme. Yeah, I'm intrigued to try those. As I said, I've never seen or tried that brand before. So yes, got 6 of those. The next thing I grabbed, we redecorated our bathroom slightly, and I picked up these bottles which I thought would look lovely. So there's a shampoo, conditioner and body wash. So I thought these would look quite cute on the side, just nice and neutral and plain, and all fit in with the theme. So yeah, I'll be emptying my shampoo, conditioner and body wash into these and having these sat on the side, which I think will look a lot neater and nicer. So I picked those up. These came as a pack of 3. They hold 500ml and they were £8.32. The next thing I picked up was this Crest This is the Decay Prevention in Fresh Mint. I believe I have tried the Crest toothpaste before, and in all honesty, toothpaste is toothpaste. I've tried so many different brands over the years, and I can't say I can particularly see a difference. So on the Easho site, they did have well-known brands, and they also had, you know, brands that I'd never heard of. But I thought if you could buy them on there in bulk, so you've got your stock of products, then yeah, I thought I'd give a go some brands that, you know, perhaps I've not tried so often or I've never tried, and see whether it's worth buying them on there. So these Crest toothpaste, again, they come as a box of 6. They are 100ml and they were £5. Moving on, the next thing I have to show you is this Dove. It is the body wash in shea butter and vanilla. Again, this comes as a pack of 6. And these are 250ml and they came to £7.7. I do really enjoy the Dove body washes. I have quite sensitive skin and I find that the Dove works really well with it. So yeah, glad to pick 6 of those up. Okay, moving on to more cleaning products for the bathroom. So the first thing is this. It's the Harpic Active Fresh and it is in the Mountain Pine one. I love this one. So this is 750ml. There are 6 bottles. So these all came separate in the box, but yes, there are 6 of them. So they all like came separate, but you couldn't buy them separate. You did have to buy them as a 6, and they came to £5.41. Which normally I know that these are £1 in B&M, so you are saving 59p, which every pence matters. So the next thing I picked up, it is the Sillet Bang Power Cleaner Lime Scale and Grime. So it is this one. Power Cleaner, Lime Scale and Grime. It says for rust around your plug hole, lime scale and soap scum. So this is the one for the bathroom. Yeah, again, this came as a box of 6. It is 500ml and it came to £6.66. So that is that. And then the final thing I have to show you is these Andrex Gentle Clean, and this is a 24-pack roll. So that is that, and for a 24-pack this was £8.32, which again I know is cheaper than in the supermarkets. So I picked up those. So that is everything I grabbed. The only thing that I want to show you quickly is there were these samples that came in. So you have the L'Oreal Elvive, I cannot pronounce that word. I'm not even going to try and say that. I don't know what that word is. But it is the anti-dandruff shampoo. And then it also included this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Nourishing Cream. So I love a sample like this, and I do enjoy when they put things like this in the box, because it's good to just give things a go without actually investing in a whole bottle of it. So some free little samples, some goodie samples. So that is everything I have to show you. I'd say my first time shopping at Easho, I browsed their website for hours. I love cleaning products and going through all the different types. So yeah, they did have quite a few things out of stock. So there were things that I wanted to buy and had to get substitutions for it because they didn't have the one that I wanted. But yeah, on first impressions, the website was really easy to use and get everything into the basket, and it's showing you your savings. Delivery was nice and quick. I'm pretty sure it came within a couple of days, maybe 3-4 days, which was great. Nothing was damaged. It was all well packed. And now I've got a bulk of my bathroom toiletries and cleaning products that are going to last me till the end of the year, so I don't have to worry about those anymore. So yeah, I'd say on first impressions, I'd definitely order from them again. I'm quite intrigued to do a bit of a price comparison and see whether it is worth bulk buying and it actually works out cheaper than, say, going to B&M and their prices. And I would definitely order from them again, and if it works out better money wise, then I will 100% be sticking with them and buying stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this bathroom haul. But yes, if you did enjoy this video, then please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you've got any questions about anything, or if you've got any ideas or anything that you'd like to see, and subscribe to stick around because it really does support my channel and I really do appreciate it. But yeah, other than that, I've got nothing else to say, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!